Another point which hit my mind during our discussion is that education system is getting hampered. The
Yeah.
camera only can cover this part, right? And people are cheating. I have heard my mom was telling one
Obviously.
instance,
There are
like
so many
people are
videos
literally
on
getting
YouTube.
past seeing their cheating, seeing
They are
their
making videos that I'm cheating. Look
yeah,
at it. Like
how to
that.
cheat. There are videos how to cheat in exam,
Yeah.
like online exam.
See the CGPA skyrocket during the COVID situation.
Exactly. Even people who are not so good in studies, they automatically the rate just gets proliferated.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
all are getting like a +2 in their CGPA in this.
Yeah. Also, I was talking to my professor. It's a very big loss. Like my professor in masters, he told me that, look, the problem with this COVID, no, what happened in second year we used to have one project which used to expand for 12 months, but now there is no research project, and that research project is everything for a science student,
Yeah.
because that can only give you more and good opportunities if you are aiming for PhD or some maybe other in everywhere. Obviously it will be added in your resume, and it will be a very plus factor. Like if you are master student, people expect you to do some research, and when it's not there on your paper, I think it's a loss on your part.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Same goes
Like,
for engineers.
it's not something loss. I think you'll not be able to proceed ahead because you should have that knowledge. Project is there, research is there for some purpose, so that you get familiar with the normal things and you can choose your career ahead, maybe for PhD, maybe for some jobs. But when you're not deprived of it, so I think there is some loss of sense.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Definitely, there are a lot of things that have caused a negative effect.
Yeah.
Like engineers, especially core field engineers, you have to be on the field, you have to interact with machines. And I can completely understand that computer science engineer can do all the coding from home itself. That has always been the case. But other field, like even electronics engineer, had to do some kind of circuit board design and all. You can't really just do it back home. There are a lot of people who have made softwares, computer interface in which you can do that virtually, but they never got an opportunity. That is the biggest disaster. So we started from 2020 and it's 2022 already. It is getting like 2 years, right?
Yeah.
And we are soon going to enter 2024. That is a whole batch of engineers never got a sufficient amount of practical experience. And we already, in this country, at least in India, we had already gotten a problem that people did not get practical experience. Labs were jokes, they were just formalities. It's because it was a part of the syllabus they had to do labs. And now they got a chance to bring it down to zero.
Yeah.
Now, see, what happened is India had a boom of number of engineering colleges because of the youth population being very large, like billions. So because of, not really in billions, but yeah, at least 500,000 was youth population. Our average age is still 27. So they already saw a demand, like this is a developing country, needs engineers. So engineering colleges it is, and thousands of them opened up in a single state. So these were not well regulated, but they were all good source of income. Some of them even had ties to politicians, and politicians have their own reasons to support them because these are like money churning devices. And obviously, let us take an example of any city, right? Thousands and thousands of engineers are going, or fresh students are going to enter that city, booms the economy of that city. So there are a lot of reasons to have a lot of engineering colleges, but at the same time, they did not have any proper reason to have the regulation to maintain the quality. And I have seen from my own eyes how bad the quality of engineering colleges get. And now they found reasons to dial down their budget on the practical, because that was the most costly part of a college.
Spending
Land,
money on
the facilities, these devices are costly. A lot of them cost like lakhs and lakhs of rupees.
some are crores.
Crores also.
Yeah.
That's what research devices are very costly, because a lot of them are custom made. A lot of them, like, they are not produced on mass. So now they can completely get away with that because they have an option. Like, they are going to show videos of lathe machine and not actually have lathe machine.
Yeah.
Does that mechanical engineer ever understand how to move the turret? No, not really.
Yeah, now I feel, when I was doing the research, now I can feel the essence of any research of any professor. Now I can feel the essence. I know if someone wants to pursue and he or she have done the same project on different topic, but same research project in my college, then they would be understanding the different realms, and they'll be understanding what is happening around me. If you are deprived of it, I think you'll not be able to get anything. You'll not be able to understanding what you need to do, and it may hamper. I think repercussions will be there for sure. They will be there, not immediately, but certainly down the line they'll be there, I feel.
Yeah, and also like people are saying that how bad it